Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bittrex Global, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Bittrex Global, begin by navigating to the Bittrex Global website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You will be directed to a registration form. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by typing it again in the provided field. Next, read and accept the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email sent to the address you provided. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Bittrex Global website. Log in using your registered email address and password. For enhanced security, you will be prompted to enable two-factor authentication. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication, such as an app or SMS. Follow the instructions to set up and verify two-factor authentication. Once you have completed this step, you'll have access to your Bittrex Global account. To start trading, navigate to the account settings to complete necessary identification verification. Follow the guidelines for submitting your identification documents. After submitting your documents, wait for Bittrex Global to review and approve your account. Once approved, you can deposit funds into your account and begin trading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.